Paid. The average worker spends around 28% of their workweek managing emails, 3.1 hours per day checking their work email, which amounts to roughly 15.5 hours per week. Already thousands of users choose to free up and gain on average 15 hours per week by organizing their personal and work agenda just with a few clicks. You could be doing the same when you're receiving emails you have to work with. Volume of emails, complexity of emails, multitasking, being overload. Be proactive in decision making. I've been recommended this brand new app called AgendaPal AI and is a must-have app for every person dealing with emails on a daily basis. AgendaPal AI is a cutting-edge productivity application designed to streamline and enhance your productivity and free up time. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, this app automates the tedious task of sifting through emails, identifying important action items, and creating reminders, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your workday. No software installation, no setup, zero effort. There is a limited time sale going on. Keep an eye out. Click link below in description. Let's increase your productivity.